This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure both devices are ready. Update your Ps4 and router firmware and log into the router admin page. Once done, decide which DNS you'll use, your ISPs or a public DNS like 8, and write down primary and secondary IPs. Make sure the Ps4 is connected to the network, wired preferred. Now go to Ps4 settings network to begin manual configuration. This is the immediate, hands-on step that gets you into detailed setup. You'll now configure the Ps4 network details. Choose custom during setup, select manual IP, and enter an address in your LAN range. Make subnet mask and gateway match your router. Next, when prompted for DNS, enter the primary and secondary DNS IPs you prepared. This directs name resolution to your chosen server. If you want permanence, reserve that static IP in your router's DHCP settings so the Ps4 never gets a different address. Finish by running the Ps4 internet connection test to verify DNS resolution and NAT type. You should see successful DNS lookups and normal latency. If pages or services fail to resolve, switch quickly to an alternate public DNS, then reboot both router and Ps4 to clear caches. Make sure your router isn't blocking DNS queries or forcing its own resolver. If problems persist, check DNS forwarding settings or contact your ISP. One key troubleshooting tip: swap to a known public DNS to isolate whether the issue is DNS versus network routing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.